Thank you for choosing Micro. Today, we'll be unboxing and setting up the Micro Cruiser. The Cruiser is a two-wheeler designed for ages 8 and up and is heavier duty than most products in this age group. To begin, let's remove the Cruiser from its box and packaging. Next, let's unfold your Cruiser. To do so, open latch on right-hand side of folding block pictured here. Next, press in silver button on opposite side of folding block to engage folding action. Scooter will click once fully upright. Finish by closing latch. Please note, you may need to tighten the folding block clamp over time. To do so, open latch and then tighten dial on opposite side. Finish by closing latch. Closing the latch should be mildly difficult with adequate tension. Next, let's attach the handlebar. To do so, remove pair of hex screws from assembly and then line up handlebar. Attach handlebar using screws and supplied Allen keys. Make sure to tighten the screws in alternating intervals. Top screw for a bit, bottom screw for a bit, etc. This allows for maximum compression of the handlebars top to bottom. Make sure the handlebar is centered and aligned before finishing the tightening process. Moving forward, let's raise your handlebar to the desired height. To do so, open handlebar clamp and raise handle. Close latch once handlebar is at desired height. Please note, when you raise the handlebar up all of the way, a black locking button pops out to secure the handle at the tallest setting. This means that you will need to press in the button anytime you wish to lower from the tallest setting. Similar to the folding block, you may need to tighten the handlebar clamp over time. To do so, open handlebar clamp and tighten using supplied Allen key. Finish by closing latch. Closing the latch should be mildly difficult with adequate tension. Now that your Cruiser is assembled, let's take a quick moment to register for the warranty. To do so, you will need the serial number found here on the scooter. Once you have your serial number, please visit www.microkickboard.com/warranty to get your scooter registered. Of course, please let us know if you have any questions or need any help. You can either post a YouTube comment below, or you can contact us directly. 888-236-5657 or info@microkickboard.com. Thank you for choosing Micro.